Hello, lovelies. So, when did I first hear about private trusts and the concept of having your property in a trust? I was consulting with a remodeling company, and one of our clients was a famous actor, and his house was in a trust. I asked him, "Why is your house in a trust?" He said, "This is public record. If people would look up and find my name on a house, I might get some creepers at my door. So, to protect my family and our privacy, we have our house in a trust." This is where I made the mistake. I thought that you had to have your house paid off. I thought because he's very rich and can afford this $100,000 remodel, that means that you have to have your house paid off before you can put it into a trust. No. No, no, no. And I wish that I would have known this so many years earlier. You do not need your house paid off in order to put it into a trust. There are cases where there is a clause in a lot of mortgage contracts that if you transfer the property, that it could accelerate and the bank can call the whole note due. Also, you could lose homestead status. In my case, neither of those things came true, and everybody I've worked with, none of those things have happened to anybody. So as long as you are still making your mortgage payments on time and everything, there should not be any issues. Now, why do I go to the measures to protect my identity? I don't show my face online. I don't say my name online. One of my mentors is a famous billionaire. And the first time I was out in public with him was when I was like, yeah, no, I do not want to be famous at all. This is not my cup of tea. No, thank you. In this world of overexposure, privacy is such a luxury. I wanted to be a spy growing up. My style is I want to travel the world and have people come up to me speaking their language because they think I'm a local. And the more I'm learning about private trusts, the more I am learning about what a luxury and really privacy in this, especially in this day and age of everybody being online and social media. Privacy is, it is wealth. Privacy is wealth in this world of overexposure. That is why all these dynasty families do not have their names on anything. These big dynasty families, they use private trusts to protect their privacy. The real fuck you money are the ones that you've never heard of. They're the ones that fly under the radar. That is exactly why getting your assets out of your name and into a private, irrevocable trust is the first step toward building real privacy and real wealth. Not for the rich and famous, for all of us. For educational purposes only, this is not legal advice. Till next time, lovelies.